Okay, you all know about the CVT transmissions. Those of you who don't know, that's the worst transmission ever made. That's the transmission in the Nissans, like the Nissan Maxima, and we all know, junky. These are the worst. Okay, never buy a car with a CVT transmission. Okay, so what can we do if we have one to expand the life of it? I'm going to tell you, and a lot of people don't know this. Okay, if I'm wrong, any mechanic out there that want to call me out, I'll be watching for the comments. I will respond with a video. Okay, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But, and I know people have done this. I've done it, so I know. We all know that the transmission has a radiator. It has a small radiator that cools it down to keep the fluid cool. It's right on the front. You look at the car, you're going to see the big radiator for the engine. You're going to see the AC condenser right there, okay? And you're going to see one that's small. That's with two hoses. You're going to see it. It's connected to transmission. That's the transmission cooler. That's what keeps it cool, right? We know the CVT transmission, they break because they like to overheat. Okay? Watch this. I know people, and I've done it before. My Dodge Neon that I'm building the engine because I blew the third head gasket of that thing. Boy. So, listen. I gotta laugh because it's like, oh, okay. It's like you already know. You feel me? It's a Dodge. I mean, so what? And this has happened. This worked for me. You put a bigger cooler for your transmission, because if you look at the one it brings, it's small. It's like it's tiny. Okay. Yesterday I was under my my 2000 Mountaineer 4-wheel drive, and I'm in the bottom doing the oil change. I'm looking in the bottom, and I see the transmission cooler. Man, that thing is maybe like, I don't know, it's around a foot long, and like that thing, like that, it's like that thick. It's not much. And I'm like, but it's a good transmission. We know the Mountaineers have good ones. So what if you put a bigger cooler and you keep your transmission cooler and it doesn't overheat? That's what's causing it. Transmission do overheat. I have had transmission overheat, and the little thing, beep, transmission overheat, and I have to pull to the side and let the truck cool down. It has happened before, and that happened with my Jeep Grand Cherokee when I had it. Okay, again, limited edition. So if you put a bigger radiator cooler, I think that's how you say it in English, then it will keep your fluid, your transmission fluid, cooled. Your transmission will last longer. Again, any mechanic out there, what do you think of this? Because this is something that my Neon has. Okay? And people that I know that have done this, their CVT transmissions are still running, outlasting a regular CVT transmission by a long run, because they still haven't broken the ones who have done this, converted it to a bigger little generator. I guess that's what you call it, generator. That's how you say it in English. Again, you can go on Amazon. You can see this. Google it. Do your research. But again, hey, I done it, and people I know who done it, the transmission is still cool. It's still running. So anybody out there that can, any mechanic out there, what do you think? What do you think of this? Have you done this? Do you know people that done this? And how's their transmission going? Still running good? Boom. Again, if that will do it, I don't care how new your car is. You have a CVT transmission. I will find a mechanic that's a good mechanic, and buy that big. Like, it doesn't cost much. Okay, under $100 you can get one. The whole kit on Amazon. Okay, and I don't know. Again, it's my opinion. You do whatever you want. I'm not telling you to do it. But go ahead and do your research. Better than, how much is it? Like $4,000 to change the transmission? Boy, if you can get a CVT transmission. Because back order is the back order, boy. I don't know. Is it like a year back order or something like that on these transmissions? I don't know. Again, um, this is something I've done. Hey, good luck. Thanks for watching.